Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make turmeric cream easily at home. This cream is 100% natural and 100% effective in lightening and whitening your skin complexion and remove all your dark spots, acne scars, pimples and uneven skin complexion and make your skin even more flawless, glowing, fair, radiant and spotless skin. This cream is also effective in removing fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation and works as a great anti-aging treatment. So now let's see how to prepare this turmeric cream. To prepare this cream we need 1 tablespoon of honey in a clean bowl. After honey you just have to add half a tablespoon of glycerin in it. After adding them, then give a slight mix to both these ingredients. After mixing everything really well, you just have to add third ingredient, which is rose water. You just have to add 1 tablespoon of rose water into it. Then you have to mix everything really well to make smooth and runny mixture. Once all the 3 ingredients are nicely mixed, now it's time to add the main ingredient of this home remedy, which is turmeric. Now you have to add approximate half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into it. After turmeric you have to add half a tablespoon of rice flour in it. After adding both these ingredients, you just have to mix everything really well to make smooth and lump-free paste. And now let's add last ingredient of this home remedy, that is aloe vera gel, and you just have to add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in it. And then you have to mix everything really well to make smooth, lumpy, creamy and a fluffy paste. After mixing everything really well, your homemade turmeric cream is ready and it will look like this. This is 100% effective and 100% natural homemade turmeric cream which works wonders on your skin and it will solve almost all your skin related issues within just few days. Now let's see how to store this 100% effective and natural homemade turmeric cream. So here I am transferring this cream into small airtight container, and you can store this cream in any airtight container in refrigerator for up to 20 to 25 days. This 100% natural turmeric cream is a homemade treatment for almost all your skin related issues. This cream helps to lighten and whiten your skin complexion, and it will also help to remove dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation problem and makes your skin even toned, glowing, fair, radiant and spotless. This cream also works great in removing your fine lines, wrinkles, all type of aging signs from your skin and makes your skin ageless, spotless and much fairer than before. Now let me tell you the effective way to use this cream correctly to get best results in just no time. So the way to use this cream is very easy and simple. You just have to take a little amount of this cream and gently massage for 10 to 15 seconds. After that leave it for overnight. And if you don't want to leave it overnight, you just have to leave it for at least 1 to 2 hours. After that, just rinse it off with normal water and pat dry moisturize your skin really well. For best results, use it twice a day, once in the morning and other before going to the bed. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, it means a lot to me. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Watch my previous videos. I will leave the link in the description box below. Take care and I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.